Welcome to Preferred Doors Garage Door Service Company of Houston, your complete local garage door service and repair specialist. Preferred Doors proudly provides you with the highest quality name brand products at the best possible price. Our expert technicians are friendly, on time, and professional. We repair and service all makes and models of garage doors, including broken springs and openers. We also offer a complete line of high quality new garage doors and openers. Call us today and we'll show you why Preferred Doors stands for high quality products and services.